Okay, this is a little demo so far of the fuel injection system. Right here, I have the manifold absolute pressure sensor I got from the junkyard. It's got wires soldered on the pigtail right now. It's feeding the channel 0A to D and the 68HC11. And what I have now, the RPM is set out of the function generator up there. It's set at 30 would be 1800, so it's reading 1754, which is about right, like about cruising speed. And the manifold absolute pressure is reading 704. This is 0 to 1,000 basically, and this basically is the load on the engine, or the absolute manifold pressure. Okay, I'm going to release the vacuum. Okay, and you see this would be at the same as at full throttle. On the scope, we have a pulse width of a little over 7 milliseconds, 7.1 milliseconds on there. And this, of course, could be scaled. The pulse could be scaled, could be multiplied by 1.1 or 0.9. If there's too much fuel flow, we could also use an orifice or a needle valve to restrict the gas flow. If we can't get enough fuel flow, we can crank up the pressure on the propane regulator. So this will be adjustable so you can get the right amount of fuel in the engine for its load. Okay, to get a stoichiometric mixture. Okay, so what I'm going to demonstrate is that I have the hand vacuum pump. I'm going to pull it down here. That's about 5 inches or a quarter of the load. And you see now that it has come back to a little less than 6 milliseconds. Okay, and I can, which is about right. I'm going to pull it back to 10. That's about 10 inches vacuum. And you can see it's gone down to like 4 milliseconds at that point. And if you figure 20 inches is zero load, and 0 inches is full load, it is the cutback is about proportional to the percent of load. So that works pretty good. I'll go ahead and I'll pull it back to what would be an idle, or even below idle. I don't think it would pull it down to 20. That's 20 inches. You can see I have about a millisecond there of pulse width at idle. So that would be very low load for the engine speed. Okay, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.